Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical leveling rake, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from leveling rake, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best leveling rake from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rockland Industry Lawn Leveling Rake Stainless Steel. Elevate your lawn care game with the Rockland Industry Lawn Leveling Rake. This premium 304 stainless steel rake is designed to effortlessly level soil and eliminate those pesky dips and divots in your yard. With a ground plate measuring 30-inch into 10-inch, it offers optimal mobility and functionality, allowing you to tackle uneven surfaces with ease. The extra long 78-inch handle ensures you can cover more ground with less effort, but if you prefer a shorter reach, the removable handle section allows for a convenient 50-inch option. Whether you have Bermuda, Kentucky bluegrass, ryegrass, St. Augustine, or fescue, this rake works wonders, especially when grass is cut to 1.5 inch or less. Weighing in at just 8 pounds and featuring double-spot welded stainless steel fabrication, the Rockland Industry Lawn combines durability with efficiency. Get ready to achieve a beautifully leveled lawn with this essential tool. Number 2. Landzie Lawn Leveling Rake for Soil Ground Leveler. Transform your lawn care routine with the Landzie Lawn Leveling Rake, your ultimate solution for achieving a perfectly even lawn. Designed to efficiently level soil, this essential tool stays flat against the surface, allowing for quicker and more effective results compared to traditional yard leveling tools. Crafted from heavy-duty, powder-coated steel, the Landzie rake is built to withstand tough jobs, featuring a fortified head-to-pole connection that tackles harsh surfaces with ease. With a generous 72-inch handle, this rake offers comfortable handling and easy storage. It's available in sizes from 24 to 48 inches, making it perfect for any lawn care task. Assembly is a breeze, simply connecting the rake head to the pole, and disassembly is just as simple for convenient storage. Backed by the Landzie guarantee, you can buy with confidence, knowing you're investing in quality lawn care equipment that delivers exceptional results every time. Number 3. Level King Pro Superior Lawn Leveling Rake. Take your lawn care to the next level with the Level King Pro Superior Lawn Leveling Rake. This heavy-duty, stainless steel rake is designed to effortlessly tame bumps and undulations, making soil leveling a breeze. Measuring an impressive 36-inch into 10-inch, it's perfect for distributing topsoil, fertilizer, and breaking up clods of sand or loam. With its extra long 76-inch handle, you can reach wider areas while reducing your workload, ensuring a smoother lawn in less time. Crafted for durability, the Level King Pro guarantees a stable and shake-free experience, eliminating the frustration of flipping over during use. Suitable for all grass types, including Bermuda and Kentucky bluegrass, this rake works best when grass is cut to 1.5 inches or less. Become the envy of your neighborhood with a vibrant, green lawn. Invest in the Level King Pro today and achieve lawn perfection like never before. Number 4. VIVOSUN Lawn Leveling Rake Stainless Steel. Transform your lawn care routine with the VIVOSUN Lawn Leveling Rake. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this durable rake resists corrosion and rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its spray coating enhances durability, while the non-slip rubber handle provides a comfortable grip, making it a secure tool for your landscaping needs. The extra-long 78-inch handle features a 3-part assembly, allowing you to adjust the length to suit your preferences. This innovative design enables you to cover more ground without bending, saving you both time and energy. With just a simple back-and-forth motion, you can distribute topsoil evenly, keeping your lawn perfectly flat and beautiful. Installation is a breeze, taking mere minutes to set up and store in compact spaces. Perfect for any type of grass or garden, the VIVOSUN Lawn Leveling Rake is an essential tool for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts alike. Plus, enjoy a free pair of black gardening gloves for added convenience. Number 5. Meoligr Lawn Leveling Rake Stainless Steel. Introducing the Meoligr Lawn Leveling Rake, your ultimate tool for achieving a perfectly leveled lawn. Crafted from high-quality iron with a durable powder coat finish, this rake is built to withstand the test of time while resisting rust and corrosion. Its versatile design allows you to distribute fertilizers, break up clods, and blend soil effortlessly, making it ideal for both professional venues and residential yards. Featuring an ergonomic handle that adjusts in length and angle, the Meoligr rake reduces strain during use, providing maximum comfort for your lawn care tasks. With a contact size of 30-inch into 10-inch, it offers exceptional mobility for lawns of all sizes. Installation is a breeze, simply attaching the handle using the included screws. Each Meoligr product undergoes rigorous quality inspections to ensure you receive only the best. Elevate your lawn care game and enjoy a beautiful, even landscape with the Meoligr lawn leveling rake. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.